Alright guys, good morning. Welcome to today's video. I'm Explicit oYiNdAv and I'll be showing us step by step how to design this particular 3D logo on my home screen. Okay, so let's swing into action. We'll go to our PixelLab. This is our home page for PixelLab. So let me change the background from gallery. Let me import from gallery. Okay, this perfect. Let me delete that new text. I don't need it for now. Okay, so let me bring in the particular design we want to achieve, this particular one. Okay, so this is what we want to design. So let's swing into action. So the first thing is to form our circle shape. Okay, circle. So let me increase the relative size of this to 85. Okay, then put it in relative position in the middle. Okay, then I'll color it with red or any color I want to use to start. So let me color it with this particular red. Okay, then I copy that again, then I color it immediately with color white, then I reduce it by 4 to form the edge. Relative size 1 2 3 4. Okay, and I put it in the middle with relative position. Can we see that? Okay, and I copy this same one again, this in white, I copy it again, and I color it color red, the same color red I used for the first one. It should not be different, or any color you are starting with, just ensure you are using that same color. Okay, then I reduce the relative size to 60 to create space for our text, and I put it in the middle with relative position. Okay, put it in the middle with relative position. Okay, then I copy it again, I color it color white, I put color white. Okay, I reduce it by 4 1 2 3 4 to form the edge, then I put it in the middle with relative position 1 2. Perfect. Okay, let me bring this forward so that we can be seeing it. Okay, so after this, what's the next line of action? Okay, to form the edge where this star will appear. Okay, let's continue with our design. Let me lock all this so that it won't be moving around. Let me lock it. Okay, so let me insert my shape. Let me put there, then I'll color it with that same color red I use in the first place, this. Okay, then let me reduce this size. Okay, let me put it in the middle with relative position. Okay, then let me adjust it inside with position gradually. Oh, it's still big, I need to reduce it a little bit. Okay, let's say 13. Okay, let me take it inside with position. Oh, 13 is perfect. 13 is perfect. Can we see that? We are good to go with that. Okay, let me copy that as well, put it in relative position, then take it inside with position. Can we see that? Just allow it to form with the edge of this red and the edge of this other red. Okay, then I'll copy this again, then I color it color white, and bring it down. Then I make it to be a little bit tiny, then I put it in this middle here, then I adjust it with position Okay, perfect. Then I take it inside. Take it inside gradually, so that you form a round edge with this other white. Okay, let me see, bring it forward a little bit. Okay, let me see, bring it forward a little bit. Oh, perfect. That's perfect. Let me copy it. Okay, relative position. Take it other side, and I take it back with position. I take it back with position. Can we see that? We are good to go with that. So, okay, then let me unlock it, and then I'll merge everything together. Apart from this one I'm using as a template, I'll merge. Okay, select it gradually. See, I omitted this one, so I'm not merging that. Merge. Okay, let me merge again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you sure you want to merge the objects? Okay, so I want to merge it into one. Okay, can we see now? It has become one. So immediately we go to our erase color and we enable it. Can we see now? We have formed that. So the next line of action now, okay, the next line of action now is to add our star shape. Add our star shape, our text. Welcome to Explicit 3D Digital Konet, and then the EDK, and then we had some little touch, and then we are done. So let me bring this back to the middle. Okay, so let's add our text. Edit. So capital letter welcome to. Okay, then I change the font. Let's use a particular font. Okay, let's use this Abri Fat Face Regular. I think that's the same font. Yeah, that's the same font I use with this other one. Okay, then I will increase the size to 95, and then I bold it. Can we see that? Then I increase the line spacing by 1. Okay, let's say 2. Alright, then I curve it. Can we see that? So let me adjust it with the rotate, this particular rotate. Perfect. Okay, then let me copy this same text. Okay, let me bend it downward. Curve. Okay, let me edit it. Okay, Explicit oYiNdAv Digital Connect. Okay, so I'll reduce the size. We are using the same font, so that's why I just copied that. Let's reduce the relative size to 64. Let's use 64. Perfect. So let me bend it downward a little bit more. Okay, let me use the rotate. This rotate, let me use it to adjust it properly. Perfect. Explicit oYiNdAv digital connect. Okay, and bend it down a little bit. Yeah. Let me rotate it the other way around again. No. Yeah. You are good to go. Okay, then let me lock that so that it won't be flying around. Okay, let me add the star shape to the edge. Star shape. These are star shape. So let me reduce it. I'm gonna reduce it to 5. Relative size, let's use 5. Okay. Let me shift it inside with our position. Oh, perfect. Let me copy that. Let me put it in relative position to the other side. And let me take it inside with position. Let's still take it up a little bit. Perfect. Okay. Then let's add our E, D, and K. Let's add our E, D, and K. Text. Let me edit that. E, capital letter E. Let me bring it. Okay, let me increase the size first. Let's increase it to 390. 390 is okay. Then let's change the font. Let's change the font. Let's use Blogger Sans Bold. Can we see that it's the same E with this other one here? So let me bold it. Star. Can we see now? It's bold. Okay. Let me copy that. Edit. ED. Then for the D, change the font so I can look exactly like this. So let's change the font for this. Let's use Abri Fat Face. It's the same font with Abri Fat Face regular. This. Okay, then I reduce the relative size. The text size rather, and reduce it to 300. Okay. Please let's follow more closely. We're almost done. Okay. Then I copy that again. Then I edit. Then I have my key, capital letter K. Then I change the font to Amaranth Bold. Change the font to Amaranth Bold. Can we see now? Then I reduce the text size. I reduce the text size. Let's say 250. Okay. Let's increase it a little bit. Let's increase it a little bit. Let's say 255. Perfect. 255 is okay. Alright. So we are done. Let me add one more shape to form this particular color that everything is having. So please pay more close attention here now. We're almost done. Please pay close attention. Shape. Okay, this very first shape. Then you reduce it to the smallest. You reduce it to the smallest. Let's say relative size. Let's put it to 1. Okay, then you take it inside one of those red lines. Can you see that? Just let it be inside one of those coordinates. It should join inside. Can we see it's inside? So we now unlock these ones that we have locked before. We unlock and then we merge everything together. We merge everything together. Apart from this one that we are using as template, we merge everything together. We're almost done. Just to add some few touches to it, and then we are done. Can we see that? We have merged everything together. See, then we'll now go to texture. Just go to texture. It said no texture selected, so let's select a texture from our gallery. So this is the actual one that we use. Can we see now? Everything has changed to this particular one. You can also use the other texture. Okay, so but let's just stick with this particular one. So we are done with this. Let me just delete this. So let's just add few touches to it. We are done. Thank you for following through. So let me add a stroke to this. Stroke enable. Okay, it's too, yeah, a white stroke is okay, but it's too dark. The stroke width is too much. Okay, let's just use one like that. Okay, then which other thing can we add just to give it a little touch? Okay, let's see inner shadow. No. Yeah. Okay, let's not give it inner shadow. Let's give it shadow. Let's just give it a black shadow. Okay, then let me reduce the blur radius. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, let's not give a shadow. Okay, 3D rotate, that's X, then Y, rotate to this side. Okay, 3D shape rotate, enable perspective. And I told us I love using perspective, but it should not be too much. Just darkened a little bit. Okay, perfect. Wow, we are good to go. Yeah, we are good to go. Our design is ready. Okay, then like I said, okay, we can still put it back to the middle. Just put it in relative position, just to adjust it very well. Perfect. So we are done. Then you can save as projects. Let's say EDK training 2.0. Okay, and then you save as image. I told us PNG, then dimension ultra to have it very clear. We'll check our design in our gallery now. See that we have done an amazing job. Just allow it to render. Check it in our gallery now. Oh, perfect. Let's check our gallery. Can we see? Oh, this is beautiful. So it's saved. So I want to see the details. Can you see 5.03 MB? That's because you save it with the best quality, ultra. Alright, thank you very much for following through. Do ensure to practice, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and share also. See you in the next video. Thank you.